So I've got a diesel heater fitted on the inside of my Defender, and for quite a while I was thinking about how could I get the hot air from my diesel heater into my roof tent. In the winter, I use it to heat up the cab, and I've been camping in some really cold conditions in the roof tent, and it would have been amazing to be able to route the diesel heater up into the tent throughout the night. So I've got the diesel heater fitted on the inside. I'll just show you in there. Yeah, before I just had the duct coming up and routing air into the cab. So I was thinking about this for quite a while, and originally I thought maybe I could fit a port up on the roof. I thought maybe I could get a port and cut it out into the roof here and come through the headliner and have something there which I could just go straight up into the tent. And then I thought, why don't I make a panel that replaces the original window and fit a port in there? So that's what I did. Over the last few months in my free time, I've designed a port, and I've actually recently bought a 3D printer. So I designed this port and I printed a few prototypes, and finally I've managed to get to a finished product. So I'm quite excited to announce that I'm going to start selling these for people who have a similar problem. Not only for Defenders, but for any sort of camper really, or even a boat. You could use it to go through a bulkhead or through any sort of panel up to 10 mil thick. So let's have a little look at what you're going to get in the box, just so that you can see. So essentially we've got this port body, which is the section that will go through the panel. There's an O-ring on the back which seals. It has to be a flat panel for it to seal correctly. And then a 92 mil hole, which is a standard hole saw. And then, yeah, there's a nut that goes on the back, which will clamp it up. Just like that. Once that's fitted in the panel, you can then attach your 3-inch duct onto the back of the port to your heater or somewhere else. And then on the other side, we've got a plug, which again, it's got an O-ring, silicone O-ring, and that just screws in place. It's got a sort of half-turn thread straight in, and then that is bombers. It's watertight, airtight, and that is it with the plug installed. When you want to use it as a penetration, then you have this adapter, which again, same style thread and O-ring, that just screws in, and now you've got a through adapter that you can plumb a 3-inch duct onto that. So that's basically the product. It's very simple, super easy to install. It's just a 92 mil hole. Also included is a template. So this is your cutting template. There's a notch at the top here. That is to stop the port from turning when you're tightening the nut. So on the port, there is a small notch there, which you will have to file out, and then the port will go into the panel like so. But it just stops the port from turning when you're trying to tighten it up. So yeah, and then there's also going to get a little sticker, and there's some just simple instructions here with a little drawing as well. So yeah, really exciting. I'm going to have it listed on my website soon. There will be a link in the video. All right, let's have a little look at the setup that I've got. So at the moment, I've got the port fitted. I've been driving around. The plug's fitted at the moment. So I'm just going to remove the plug. And then the duct is fitted from the inside on my diesel heater. Yeah, we just got to camp, theoretically. I've got a duct, just a simple 3-inch duct. It's got the adapter fitted on the end. And then, yeah, I'm just going to screw that in. Nice and easy to fit. And that is it. now we've got a nice cushy night's sleep in the freezing cold. So I would also like to mention, if there's any other Defender owners that would like a port like this, and also the panel for the window, I've also got I measured the window and I've got these panels laser cut with the correct size hole. So if you wanted to have the replacement window, then you can buy these panels and they're ready to go. The plan is to get some more of these made, and then we're going to get them powder coated and they'll be up for sale as well. So yeah, keep an eye out on socials, Instagram and stuff, for when that's ready as well. And I'll be putting that onto the website. This can be fitted to anything up to 10 mil thick. It's not only Land Rovers. It's not only a 4 mil piece of aluminium. You know, if you've got a canopy or a caravan or a trailer, you know, this might be of use. All right, so there's one more thing that I want to talk about while we're talking about these diesel heater ports. So I've also developed this slightly different variation, which is suitable for vehicles that have a diesel heater on the outside of your vehicle, on your roof rack or mounted on the side. So this version, I'm just going to use this panel as an example. This could be, again, the side of your canopy or a trailer. So this version actually has a vent, like a louvered vent on the inside, which is rotatable. And then you have an adapter on the outside, so your diesel heater is going to go on the adapter. Again, that comes out, same plug will fit inside. And then on the inside, you've got a rotatable vent, which you can turn. So the idea of this is, if you're sleeping or you're cooking or living on the inside of your vehicle and you want your diesel heater, which is mounted on the outside, to heat the inside, then this will do that for you. So I actually designed this for a friend who's got a canopy and he's got his diesel heater on the roof rack. And yeah, hopefully soon this will also be available to purchase. It's not quite there yet. I need to tweak a few little things, but it's not far behind. So yeah, keep an eye out for that as well.